In this video, I gonna show you how to insert and remove page borders in Microsoft Word document. And this method will work in PC and Mac. And almost this method will work all version of Microsoft Office. Just you have to find out in this design tab. So click on it and page border. Here select box. Also you can select 3D for more stylish border. Scroll down and select any style of border. You can apply the color which you like here. You can change the size, and in the art you can select any style of art as a border. Then click on OK. You can see this art in the corner. Another style, and simple one. Change the color. So these are settings. So there is a list of style, and a color. And to remove this page border, same here, page border, and select this first option, none. Then click on OK. So this way you can add or remove page borders in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.